Hi.
Yes.
Costner walked away and I was getting married.
Nadia, did you see Uncle Gary? Where's Uncle Gary?
See what?
That's Uncle Robert. Where's Uncle Gary? There's Uncle Gary. We have pictures we look at, so we know Uncle Robert and Uncle Gary, sort of.
I couldn't remember Gary's name to save my life till I was like 10 years old. Like, who is that guy?
Hi.
You gonna give Uncle Gary a hug? I don't think he's gotten a hug from you yet, has he, huh?
Looks like the doctor changed his mind about you.
Go in there and sit at the table. Go sit at the table, Abigail.
Nadia?
Table, Abby.
Nadia's gonna go sit at the table.
Yeah, it's ice cream, she sure will.
Well, she just heard you say go sit at the table, so she's... Nadia, be careful. Be careful. No, but watch her. Honey, she's about to tip the chair over. Can you manage Nadia for a second here? Okay. Abigail, sit down, please. Abigail, sit down, please, at the table with your ice cream.
Sit down, honey. You're going to spill it, okay? You want to sit down over here? Who wants the ice cream?
What flavor?
We got vanilla and we got chocolate chip.
Go for the chocolate chip. Boop. Boop.
Hi, Abigail. Sit down, please. Yeah, I got the video camera out, don't I? Huh? Am I taking a picture of Abigail? Nadia, please put that back. Corey, can you get that from her and make her put it back?
Look up.
What she got?
A pack of the Splenda that she's putting in her mouth.
Nadia, look up. Thank you.
Look.